How to find your PayPal account ID. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your PayPal ID. So let us get started. First of all, you'll need to head over to paypal.com. You can use your mobile app too, and you'll just need to log in. After you've logged into your account, you will see the settings icon on the top right. Tap on it, and after you've hit the settings, you will get redirected to your account. Now under your account, you will see a lot of options. Let me go back to account again, and there you go. So right here on the left hand side, you will get your details. Now I have not really finished setting up my profile, so there is no option, but there should be a username under your name. And after it's there, you can simply tap on modify. You'll get a modify option and you'll get redirected to your profiles. After you're redirected to your profile, you will see that there is a username, and that is basically your user ID. And after you find that user ID, yeah, that is basically it. It starts with an @sign, and yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you find your user ID or your account ID on your PayPal. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. If you're new to app hacks, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.